Hi, welcome back to Bounces Boosters. We've got ourselves another Battlebond 6-pack. Now let's get into it. If you remember last time we finished off pulling Purr and Toothy. Now can we get any of the other legendary partners? Or can we pull something even better? Let's find out. Alrighty. So we got token, land, 2, 3, 4, 5 commons. We have a foil. We have Phantom Warrior for the uncommon, Gang Up, Hunted Wampus. We have Magnetic Force for the rare, and the foil is a Daggerdrome Imp common. The Magnetic Force isn't too bad in a burn deck, considering it's at the beginning of each upkeep, not just your own. Okay, commons go there. No foil in this pack. We have Chain Lightning, a Noxious Dragon, Aim High, and the rare is Greater Good. Sacrifice a creature, draw cards equal to that creature's power, and then discard 3 cards. Now in certain builds that is a great way to just draw through your deck. Alright, token is a mirror for something different. Alright, we have another foil in this pack. We have the Fog Bank, a Veteran Explorer, a Step Glider, ooh, our first Bond land with the Sea of Clouds, and the foil is the Azra Oddsmaker. Very nice. Alright, that's the halfway mark. Not too bad so far. Could be better, but you can never tell with these small sets, small packs. I've put the good maker in the wrong spot. Odd maker, that's the one. Alrighty, so crowd goes wild. Fumble. The Rushblade Commander. Warriors your team controls have haste. And Angelic Chorus. Not bad. There's a Silencia Commander, Trostani, who has the same effect. Except this is on enchantment, so it's a little harder to remove. But if you get both out at once, it's double life gain. Effectively. Alrighty. Foil again in this pack. We have the Boldwind Intimidator, Inner Demon again, Enduring Scalelord. We have Vigor for the rare. Ooh, that is a nasty little creature. And the foil, the foil rare with the Generous Patron. ETB support 2. Whenever you put 1 or more counters on a creature you don't control, draw a card. That is an interesting little effect. It doesn't specify what counters, so if you proliferate an opponent's neg1 counters, you'll get to draw a card. Alright, last pack. 5 deep. We have no foil in this pack, but we have Bring Down, Proud Mentor, which means the Impetuous Protege is there, and the final rare is Game Plan. Each player shuffles their hand and graveyard into the library, then draws 7 cards. Exile, Game Plan. Not too bad. Can't complain. We didn't hit any mythics, but when you're in a short short pack of 6. Pulling mythics is pretty hard. Alright, thanks for watching. Keep safe. Bouncer out.